Hi, this is Mark with Central State Mower. Today I'm going to install a carriage bolt and knob set on an MTD lawnmower here. What this does is this joins the upper and lower handles together. So I'm going to pop in the carriage bolt right here, line my handle up. See, pop the square knob in the slot right there, and the star knob just goes on the opposite side. I like to put the smooth side out, that way it doesn't catch on anything as I'm going along mowing my grass. And there you have it. There's one side installed, and there's the other side installed. If you should need any other parts for your MTD lawnmower, please visit my site on the link below. Thanks and have a good day.